Today we want to release the U Stealth Headphones 700 General 2. So sit back and let's start. Screensaver. The Turtle Beach Stealth 700 General 2 is the successor to the best-selling premium wireless gaming headset designed for Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, and Xbox One, featuring Xbox Wireless and Windows Sonic surround sound.
Take mobile calls or listen to your own music simultaneously while gaming through Bluetooth technology.
An all-new metal-reinforced headband and strengthened hinge design deliver significant advancements in durability. And reshaped Aerofit cooling gel-infused memory foam ear cushions provide premium comfort. The upgraded rechargeable battery provides up to 20 hours of wireless gaming.
A larger,
high-sensitivity mic improves chat clarity and conceals in the housing when muted, while 50mm nano-clear speakers provide crisp, accurate sound for the ultimate gaming experience. Price $259. All the links in the description. Also go to our social networks. And I'm still saying goodbye to you, bye.